Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be this glittery clown makeup look, very similar to the scary version of Pennywise I did a couple years ago, but this time in a glam version. The first thing I'm going to do is add my concealer in all my highlight areas and any problematic areas and blend this out with my beauty blender. Then I'm going to take my contour and apply this to my nose, cheekbones, forehead, and jawline. Taking my foundation powder, I'm going to just blend this out all over to set any cream and liquid product and to just, again, blend everything more seamlessly. Now using my brow pencil, I'm going to fill in my brows, keeping the same shape, just filling in the color to darken and better define them. And then just taking a concealer with a small concealer brush, I'm just going to really sharpen and clean these up around the edges. Now for the costume style makeup. I'm going to take my red face paint and apply this directly above my brows. I do leave a little bit of space in between my brow and the shape. That's up to you if you want to leave the space or connect them. I love using this product for a ton of different style, Halloween or costume looks. It's super easy to use. It's water activated and super easy to remove when you're done. Then I'm going to apply this directly under my brow bone on my eyelid, almost corner to corner, and then following the same shape and size of the bottom part of the triangle. Again, I'm going to bring this up just underneath my brow. Then an upside down triangle under each eye, and a line at the bottom from each of those triangles connecting to my mouth. And just a small circle at the tip of my nose. Once you have your base paint down, you're ready to apply the glitter. So I actually use two different style glitters. I first use a liquid glitter, just following right over top that paint. Then I applied a loose glitter using lash glue as an adhesive and placing the loose glitter right over top. Now you're ready to move on to the lip. I'm going to use a metallic glittery lip gloss first as my base. Then I'm just going to take some more of that loose glitter and pat that right over top. It'll stick directly to the lip gloss. To finish up the eye makeup, I added a black liquid eyeliner with a slight wing at the end. Oh, I almost forgot. I also added a very bright pink blush. Probably would have been smarter if I did that before the glitter, but I just wanted to mention that. I did add that. Then I put in two different colored contact lenses. I do have the direct link to shop and discount code for these in the description box if you guys are interested. I applied a false lash on top and bottom lash line. And then to finish the look, I applied some heart glitter in the center of each triangle above and below my eye. So that's everything for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. If you guys have any requests for me, be sure to comment that down below. As always, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.